a discussion regarding those design features by Hockett. So the 10th one is displacement. So having the ability to talk about things and events not present in the immediate environment. डिस्प्लेसमेंट के बारे में मैं आपको बता चुका था. ये स्ट्रेट लाइन होता है. सपोज ये एक पॉइंट है और ये एक पॉइंट है. इन दोनों में जो स्ट्रेट लाइन है ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट है. द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पॉइंट्स. ठीक है. अगर तुम इधर आते हो इस तरह ये चक्कर लगाते हो तो फिर डिस्प्लेसमेंट नहीं है. यहाँ पे जो लिंग्विस्टिक्स में हम डिस्प्लेसमेंट पे बात करेंगे तो हम जानते हैं कि ह्यूमंस दे हैव द एबिलिटी टू टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स and events not present in the immediate environment. जो immediate environment में present नहीं है, इन चीजों के बारे में हम बात करते हैं. Suppose इसके बारे में मैं आपको एक यहाँ पे एक वो जिक्र कर चुका हूँ. Suppose you have a pet, you're having a pet cat at your home. So it spent the whole night outside home, and the next day, as it came home, you inquired about its whereabouts and angrily scolded. You angrily rebuked it. You asked about its whereabouts and angrily you scolded it. Where had he been the last night? So what reply shall you get? Its only reply shall be the mew. The only mew you shall get in response. Nothing else. So it may not narrate you the story about that he had been to a club, having and dancing there with comrades and eating delicious food and enjoying the ice cream, candies, and so on. So we only humans, we can do the same. You, the newcomers, please listen to me. Suppose you are having a pet cat at your home and it spent the whole night outside in a club or anywhere, but it was out away of your home, and the next morning you saw him it at your home. You inquired about its whereabouts. That where have you been, my catty or cat? Where are you? You scolded him. So he will not in a position to narrate you the story of its whereabouts, that it's been in a club having candies there, ice cream there, dancing there, right? He will not be in a position to narrate you the whole story. We only humans, we have this capacity that we talk about the past. We narrate our past and we even narrate our future. So this is a sort of displacement. It has been termed as displacement. Are you getting my points?
Yes, sir.
So it refers to the idea that humans can talk about things that are not physically present or do not exist. Talking about things that are not physically present. ये भी डिस्प्लेसमेंट है ना. सपोज आपके जहन में अंगूर का एक वो आ गया, इमेज आ गया कि इस तरह खूबसूरत अंगूर कट के वगैरह इस तरह, एंड योर माउथ secreted saliva came to your mouth. तो ये भी एक किस्म का वो है. सपोज मैं अंगूर के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ या पोमेग्रेनेट के बारे में आपके साथ, I'm talking about date and you just think about the taste of that particular thing and your mouth waters.
Yes.
So this means this is
Displacement.
you're talking. And another thing that reflects action, that is like date reflects action. Do you know reflects action? So this is like date, and it refers to this particular idea that humans can talk about things that are not physically present. हम जो है उन चीज़ों के बारे में हम बात कर सकते हैं जो फिजिकली प्रेजेंट नहीं होते या वो चीज़ें होती ही नहीं, जैसे कि हम आत्मा और गोस्ट और एंजल्स वगैरह के बारे में हम बात करते हैं, परियों के बारे में हम बातें करते रहते हैं. ठीक है. तो ये physically वो present नहीं होते या they do not exist. Getting my points? So speakers can talk about the past and future and can express hopes and dreams. A human speech is not limited to here and now. This is not like that. No here and now. कि भाई जो like other animals, it's not about that. You can refer to the past, you can refer to the future in your speech. So human speech is not limited here and now. Displacement as one of the features that separates humans language from other forms of primate communication. Only humans can create fictions and describe possible future worlds. तो हम fictions create करते हैं, science fictions create करते हैं, literary fictions आप देखो कि फ्यूचर वर्ड्स को हम कि भाई 2050 में दुनिया किस तरह होगा, हाँ, तो फ्यूचर वर्ड्स को हम जो है डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, जैसे कि हम पास्ट को और फ्यूचर को रेफर कर सकते हैं. इस क्वालिटी को, ह्यूमन लैंग्वेज की इस क्वालिटी को हम डिस्प्लेसमेंट कहते हैं. इज दिस क्लियर नाउ? थैंक यू.